Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax Savannah here, and behind me I have a 2025 Boston Whaler 210 Vantage that comes with this Magic Tilt tandem axle trailer, and we've got a great package here. We've got this Boston Whaler gray. Obviously we've got the swim ladder coming off this platform right here, and this one does come with trim tabs as well, so I'll go ahead and take you aboard. Hey, so now that we're in the boat, I just wanted to show you that we've got plenty of bow seating up here. You have an upgraded upholstery, so that is a premium upholstery that was an option with this boat. You've got the JL audio system. You can see you've got those low profile grab rails, and they have the built-in cup holders right there too. So really nice seating option here. Very comfortable with how the bolsters come all the way up to the gunnel. And then right here, as you make your way back, you've got a spot for your trash, whatever else you need to stow away in there. And if you come back here with me, we've got the head, and what's unique about this is you've got a 21-foot boat here that has a plumbed Dometic head. So very convenient, very easy to use. No need to pull it out when you're done. Boston Whaler has won awards for this seat right here because it comes up like so, and it folds down into a very comfortable sunbathing bed, or maybe something for the kids. And then this pops up. You've got a bunch of storage in here, and then this one back here is your live well. So if I transition over here to the helm, got a nice big Simrad that integrates with the Mercury vessel view. So you'll get all of your chart plotter information, your fish finder information, and your Mercury vessel view information that comes out of this. JL audio stereo unit, all of your controls right here, and then your Lenco trim tab controls right down there. And then this comes with the nice Boston Whaler steering wheel that's got this handy ball right here, which makes it very efficient when you're trying to take those tight corners. Moving towards the back of the boat here, you see we've got these two fold-up seats right here. If you want more room to stand, or maybe you just want an easy way to get on and off the boat, you fold those down. You've got plenty of room. You can stand up here and fish off the back. You've actually got 7 rod holders back here. There's 3 along here. There's a few along the gunnels. Very convenient, easy to use. Overall, very well put together. On the back here, we've got the Mercury V6 225. It's 225 horsepower. Very well powered boat, and all around just a great family boat. Great for day trips and wherever you want to go. So my name's Jacob, and I'd love for you to come and see this boat here at the MarineMax of Savannah.